You get extremely sidetracked in our sessions, and I truly believe it's so you won't have to face the truth. You are living your life vicariously through Tammy Wynette, and that is just not healthy.
Well, somebody has got to carry on the legacy. Now that she's gone.
Earl, you've been doing this for over 20 years. What was your excuse before she died?
My mind's a blank.
Well, it has to stop. It's just not healthy.
It gets me through this hell. All right. Locked up here with a bunch of Looney Tunes like I'm crazy. Tammy Wynette gets me through life. Dr. Eve, now you're trying to take her precious memory away from me.
Oh, you remember that year that Brother Boy was in the Christmas pageant?
Oh, Lord, yes. He couldn't have been more than 5 or 6. And he taught Wanda Jean Hilltop into switching parts with him. And Wanda Jean showed up as a shepherd and Brother Boy Pristin as the Virgin Mary.
Oh, well, honey, you know that Wanda Jean lives with a woman over in Abilene, and she delivers for the UPS.
Oh, it all tracks back.
Who cares? Me and Sissy. What? Because he's my baby brother, Latrell. And I want to get him out.
Yeah. Let's go back to the masturbation exercises, shall we?
Okay.
Now, when you switched to a woman, who did you fantasize about?
You. Oh, Master. And I fantasize about you.
Well. My. Thank you.
Well, actually, it didn't turn out so good. When I switched over to you, I got kind of nauseous, and I don't mean to be ugly, but it sort of went south, if you know what I mean. I'm sorry.
That's okay. Don't worry about it. So did you try again?
No, I threw up. And I wasn't in the mood no more. You know, Dr. Eve, I think next time I'm going to masturbate, I'm going to fantasize about a woman that's a little bit more masculine. How about, what's her name? Miss Jane Hathaway from the Beverly Hillbillies. She's kind of manly.
Earl, that is not the point.
I'm not sure what the point is.
The point is for you to start fantasizing about a woman. A real woman. A woman who is feminine and sexy and all woman, not some butch stick of a woman like Miss Jane Hathaway, who could be a man in drag for all we know.
Well, I don't know about that. I don't think a man in drag quite looking that bad. I mean, even when Jethro portrayed Jethro.
I don't know what to do with the world. I'm at my rope's end. I try to make progress and nothing! You are not participating in your own recovery.
I called the institution this morning.
You what? You called him?
Called him. Well, he needs to know about Mama. And they said that now that Mama was dead, that you and me are responsible. And if we sign the proper papers, we can get him out. Now look, he can live with me. I just think that he ought to be here for his own Mama's funeral.
Well, I think LaVonda might be right.
Well, I don't. We can't have Brother Boy at the funeral. It'll be a spectacle. Mama's death is enough of an embarrassment without having Brother Boy at the funeral. And besides, in case you're forgetting, he's crazy.
Brother Boy is not crazy.
There's something wrong with him up here, and you know it.
I'm not sure what's wrong with him is up there.
The only thing wrong with him, if it's wrong, is that he likes to dress up like a woman.
That's wrong.
According to who, Latrell?
According to the Bible, according to God.
Off and running.
You mean to tell me that there is a scripture that says men shall not dress up in women's clothes?
No!
Maybe you're the crazy one, Latrell.
Hey, I'm not the one who wants to bury a woman in a big stole in the middle of a heat wave.
Mama loved that stole, Latrell.
Yes, and she had the good fashion sense not to wear it in the summertime. Sissy! Sissy! Say something! I thought you're on my side. I am not on anybody's side. I don't care, quite frankly. I am trying to quit smoking.
nerves. My arm hurts. It don't matter if Sister wears that mink stole or not, because she is dead. And she's going to be buried shortly, and everybody will just forget about it in no time flat anyway. It don't matter. So just hush up, both of you.
You want to know why she don't want Mama buried?
No, I don't want to know.
Because she wants it for herself. Well, of all people want that mean Jill mix stuff. It's an antique, and it's valuable, and that stole is in real good shape. Oh, don't try to deny it, Latrell. Although that is your specialty, if I'm not mistaken. Denial.
What are you talking about? Denial. Denial about what?
Denial about everything. About how Mama died, and about why you want to keep Brother Boy cooped up like some damn animal.
And why is that, pray tell?
Never mind.
No, I want to hear this.
Look, all I am saying is that, well, you know how close me and Ty are.
Don't you dare bring my son into this sordid picture. What does my son have to do with this?
All I'm saying is that Ty has more in common with Brother Boy than you're willing to admit.
Oh, Lord.
And I think you blame Brother Boy for the way Ty is.
Ty isn't anything, so you just shut your mouth about my son, LeVar.
I went out to L.A. to see a play he was in.
You did what?
I went out to L.A. to see Staccato. Opening night.
Staccato.
He was real good. Sissy, the play was spectacular. It was very sensuous, with a powerful message. And I went out afterwards with Ty and the all-male cast, and we went to an all-male bar. And
My son is not a homosexual. She just shut the hell up. I don't want to hear this.
You're in denial, Latrell.
I am not in denial. Would you quit saying I'm in denial? I am not in denial.
All right, I'll quit saying it. But it ain't gonna change the truth, and the truth
I
is
don't want to hear the truth, LaVonda. Did you ever think I don't want to know the truth?
Light it up, girl. Okay. Light it up.
Light her up, girl.
It's okay. I'm sorry.
Well, I never would have quit smoking if I'd have known Sister was going to die.
I was standing by my window on one cold and cloudy day when I saw the hearse come rolling for to carry my sister away. Will the circle be unbroken by and by, Lord, by and by? There's a better home waiting in the sky, Lord, in the sky. I will follow close behind her, try to hold on and be brave, but I cannot hide my sorrow when they